And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance Waltz bronze level routine with the count. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look again, this time from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with steps 1 to 3 of reverse turn, but on the last half of beat we add reverse pivot and continue once again with reverse turn. Then we dance basic weave, which we finish in closed position, and man goes outside into natural turn, followed by impetus turn. Notice heel turn for man here, then reverse turn, second half, and very basic closed change. Very good. Let's look once again this choreography in slow motion from opposite angle. So we start with reverse turn. Unusual thing is that we add reverse pivot and continue once again with reverse turn. Now basic weave, which is also known as weave in waltz time. Then we continue with step outside into natural turn and closed impetus with man's heel turn. Then we dance second half of reverse turn and we finish with closed change. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.